This is just a simplification of the sequential steps necessary for the manifestation of physiological reality. Number 1, vision. Vision simply means having an image, an idea, a dream, a wish, a picture of what you say you want now. It is representative of the concept of having some initial vision that you want. Number 2, desire. This goes hand in hand with the idea of excitement. The thing that you see that you say you want must be accompanied by a strong energy, a strong emotion, because that energizes the vision. It literally pumps energy into motion. Emotion, energy in motion. Number 3, belief. You must know and you must explore and examine within yourself that you have the belief that it is possible to manifest this thing. You must get in touch with your definitions of life. Your beliefs are what are going to allow this thing to be possible. If you don't believe you're capable of it, if you don't believe you deserve it, it isn't going to manifest, no matter how much you desire, no matter how clear that vision may be. If you do not believe it's possible, it cannot manifest. So get in touch with the idea of what you do believe and find out what you would prefer to believe. Find out where the beliefs you have come from. Find out why you insist on maintaining them or have insisted on maintaining them. Find out why they have worked for you, or why you are motivated to believe those definitions, and determine for yourself by creating in your imagination new definitions that you say are more representative of what you really want. Number 4, acceptance. You must totally accept yourself and the new belief as true, just as you accepted the old belief to be true without question, beyond a shadow of a doubt. Total acceptance of yourself that it is possible for you to manifest this idea. Total acceptance of the new definitional belief that can make it so. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on manifesting your dreams. Number 5, intention. You must intend to manifest it. You can want something, but you may not necessarily intend with your will, with your focus to manifest it, so you must have the intention to do so. It must be a conscious choice. You must intend it. This is known as your conscious commandment of your reality. Number 6, action. You must act like you are already in the state of that reality you want. You must behave as if the reality already exists in the presence. You must do the things you would do in the way you would do them if the reality already existed for you. You must ground all the ideas of the vision, the desire, the belief, the acceptance, and the intention in the actions that you do, so that your behavior and your body language are different than they used to be, and are more representative of the reality that you are focused on, rather than representative of the reality that you no longer prefer. Because body language is very telling about what you really believe to be true, what you really believe you are capable of, and what you really believe exists for you at presence. Number 7, detach. Detach totally, utterly, and absolutely. Let go from any outcome at all. It is the last step. You have to let it go utterly and unconditionally. That's the power of paradox. You're using the power of the paradox of the existence of creation. The dark and the light, the day and the night, both sides of the polarity. You have both in order to manifest anything, an absolute intensity of what you want, with absolutely no expectation that it has to manifest at all. That's the balance. You have to let it go totally, and know that everything is already perfect as it is. Once you accept that the way it is perfect, then the way it is can become another way. Remember, physical reality is not out there. There is no out there. Physical reality is a reflection. That's all it is. It doesn't reflect to you. It is a reflection of you. Unlocking your potential requires vision, desire, belief, accept, intend, action, and letting go. Embrace these steps to manifest your dreams. Remember, you are the creator of your reality. Keep imagining and manifesting.